My name is Kamil, and I've been receiving private coaching from Rashida and Pretty Pump Fitness for the last 5 months. But my journey started back in January when I did her 30-day plant-based challenge. And after the challenge, that's when I transitioned over to the private coaching. So going through private coaching really opened my eyes up a lot to what being plant-based is all about and what it fully means, and it also allowed me to really think about what that truly meant for me. For a long time I've been trying to transition to being fully plant-based. Every time I've tried, didn't have much success. I would go for like 2 weeks, do it for 2 weeks, and then that's it. I just wasn't motivated, I wasn't consistent. But then moving into the 30-day plant-based challenge and then to private coaching, I had that accountability that I needed, but then also the inspiration and motivation needed to continue even up until this point and beyond, because the goal for me is to remain plant-based for the rest of my life. I've seen so many benefits from a health perspective in terms of like my energy levels, how I'm feeling, and even just about how I'm thinking about food and my relationships with food. My relationship with food it's changed a lot for me. And one of the goals that I had this year was, when I started the coaching with Rashida, was how to be plant-based traveling, right? I thought it was impossible. I did not think I would be able to remain plant-based. So I started my journey, like I said, back in January, and then I started to travel like come February and then throughout the summer. And I did not think I would be able to do it, but I did. And that's because I had choices, right? I could either go back to my old eating habits, or I can choose to continue to be intentional about what it was that I was putting into my body. So it was the mindset shift that really changed things for me, and how I thought about my relationship with being plant-based. Since going plant-based, again, a lot of different benefits. I feel much happier. I feel more grounded. And it's something that I will continue to do. I've enjoyed experimenting in the kitchen, really understanding what nutrition and eating means to me when it comes to healing the body, which is something I've also been learning through my private coaching session. So it's been a great experience so far, and I'm looking forward to continuing on this journey.